Hey Home Service Freedom members, so many of you have been asking, how do I allocate my spend with regard to marketing? So Peter, the president of Camp Digital, is going to walk us through what you should be doing in growth mode, maintaining mode, for whatever revenue category you're currently at.
Hi everyone, my name is Peter Dahl. It's a real privilege to be addressing you. I'm the president of Camp Digital, where we specialize in marketing for the trades. A common question that we encounter is how much of my budget should I be allocating towards marketing in general, and then more specifically, how much of that should go towards digital. I'm going to use today an example of a $4 million shop, and if you're looking just to kind of maintain where your revenue is, the status quo, in a normal economy, what we would suggest is about an 8 to 10% of your revenue spend towards marketing, with a little bit over half of that being directed towards digital. So in this example, $4 million shop, in order to maintain that, we're gonna say a 10% portion of your revenue would be $400,000, with about half of that digital, or right around $15,000 a month. Now, on the other hand, if you're in a growth mode, which as I understand this audience to be, we would suggest having to weight that a little heavier towards 12% in most markets. So using this example of $4 million again, that would be $4,800,000. Using that $4 million example again, that would equate to $480,000. At 12%, that would be $480,000 or $40,000 a month. Therefore, at least half of that, if not a little bit over, but it would be a minimum of $20,000 a month to grow.